For the Gemini update in Google Docs, a blank doc will give you this option to use Gemini in a modal to create a sophisticated doc. But if you end up closing that modal and these options disappear, go to the menu, click on File, hover over New, and choose Help Me Create. That'll bring up the modal again. This shows you examples of docs you can create. Down here, you can provide your prompt describing the doc that you want in detail, and then click on Create. Gemini in Google Docs is incredibly fast. I just clicked on Generate and it's already creating the document with sections here on the left panel, and it's already finished. This report is 4 pages and includes placeholders for files I can point to, dates I can insert. It includes formatting for bullet points, tables, and even a header image. You can still use the Gemini icon in the top right corner, and I use this to add actual tools and platforms for the research. That was the only change I made. Click on the hamburger menu for more options where you can see your history of your previous conversations. You can also use gems for workflows that you created in Gemini. This icon, you can create a new conversation, or if you click on this icon, this drop down will show you the option to expand the right panel. Here's another example for a requirements document I created for a smart home display. All these sections are key components of this document. You can also create content based on files that you attach. If you click on Add Sources here, add files from your Google Drive, or you can use tools like Nano Banana to create images for your document. If you found this useful, like the video and leave a comment. If you want more content on AI, workflow automation, and analytics, subscribe to the channel.